Hello, everyone. What if I tell you, you don't need perfect grammar to speak English fluently? You just need to practice simple sentences daily, again and again, without fear. In this session, you are going to learn real-life English, the kind of English people actually use every day, not complicated, not confusing, just simple, powerful, and practical. Because English is not about rules. It is about communication. It is about expressing your thoughts, your feelings, your ideas. And today, you are going to start speaking. So listen carefully, repeat after me, speak loudly. Don't feel shy, don't worry about mistakes. Just speak. Take a deep breath, relax your mind, and get ready to speak with confidence. I wake up early. I open my eyes with a positive thought. I feel fresh in the morning. I stretch my body. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I take a shower. I get ready for the day. I wear clean clothes. I look at myself in the mirror. I smile at myself. I feel confident. Today is going to be a great day. I believe in myself. I can do it. I go to the kitchen. I prepare my breakfast. I eat my breakfast. I drink a cup of tea or coffee. I enjoy my meal. I check my phone. I read messages. I reply to important messages. I check my schedule. I plan my day. I set my goals. I am ready to start my day. I leave my house. I lock the door. I start my journey. I am going to work. I am on the way. I am getting late. Please wait for me. I will reach soon. I will call you later. I am busy right now. I will finish this work soon. Can you help me? Thank you for your help. I appreciate it. I understand. I don't understand. Please explain again. Can you repeat that? Speak slowly, please. Let me try again. I am learning English. I am improving every day. I am trying my best. I will not give up. I am confident. How are you? I am fine. I am doing well. What about you? Nice to meet you. What are you doing? I am working. I am studying. I am practicing English. That's great. Keep going. You are doing well. I am happy to hear that. Let's talk. Let's learn together. Let's improve together. We can do this. We are learning step by step. We are getting better every day. How much is this? This is too expensive. Do you have anything cheaper? Can you give me a discount? I like this one. This looks good. I will take it. Please pack it. Thank you so much. I am hungry. Let's eat something. I would like to order. Please bring the menu. I want something tasty. I want something spicy. I like this food. The food is delicious. Can I get some water? Can I get the bill? Thank you for the service. I am feeling tired. Today was a busy day. I did a lot of work. I completed my tasks. I learned something new today. I improved my skills. I am improving slowly. I am proud of myself. I will do better tomorrow. Now listen carefully. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent. Every day, one small step, one sentence, one improvement. Small progress is still progress. Don't compare yourself with others. Compare yourself with yesterday. Yesterday you were silent. Today you are speaking. That is progress. Be proud of your effort. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. If you make mistakes, it means you are trying, and that is powerful. Speak again, repeat again, practice again, improve again. Confidence comes from practice. Fluency comes from repetition. Success comes from consistency. Even if you speak slowly, speak. Even if you make mistakes, speak. Even if people laugh, still speak. Because one day, the same people will listen to you, and they will respect your confidence. Close your eyes and imagine. You are speaking English confidently, without fear, without hesitation. You are expressing your thoughts clearly. People understand you. People appreciate you. You feel proud of yourself. That day is not far. It starts today with this practice. Say this with me. I can speak English. I am learning every day. I am improving every day. I am becoming confident. I am not afraid anymore. I believe in myself. I will succeed. Very good. Now repeat everything again. One more time, with more confidence, with more energy. Speak clearly, speak slowly, speak confidently. Make English a habit. Make English a part of your daily life. Practice in the morning. Practice in the afternoon. Practice in the evening. Practice in front of a mirror. Practice with your friends. Practice alone, but practice every day. Just 10 minutes a day can change your life. Consistency is more important than perfection. Remember, consistency is the key. Keep going, don't stop, don't quit. You are improving. You are growing. You are becoming fluent. Believe in your journey. Trust the process and never give up. If you found this helpful, like this video, share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more English learning videos. See you in the next video. Keep practicing, keep speaking, keep believing in yourself.